Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Right Pocket Broker app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are two ways you can install the Right Pocket Broker app. First is if you're on Android, you can find the app through Google Play Store, or if you're on iPhone, you should visit App Store. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll delete or uninstall the app first before I head to Play Store and show you how to identify the right app. Now to do this, go to Google Play Store, and from here log in with your Gmail and search using the search bar here. Search the name of the app. So I'll search for Pocket Broker and I'll run the search, and you can see the app is here. Now that you have the right app, make sure it is from Pocket Investment LLC. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 3.7 with over 141,000 reviews, and the file size is around 4.1 MBs, and currently the app has been downloaded over 10 million times. So at the time you are watching this, these statistics might have changed. So this is the current logo, and if you see this information, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Pocket Broker and then install it on your smartphone. You can proceed and open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should see your app from here. You can now tap on it to open it. If you open, this is the welcoming interface and logo. You will know now you are on the right track. From here, log in with your account or create your new account to start your investment or brokerage journey. So that's how you can install the Right Pocket Broker investment app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.